Hi, my name is Cassidy Lammers and I am a marketing manager with Lenovo Workstations, and I'm here today to talk to you about the Helping Hand project. So as you can see, we have a 3D printed child's hand. What they do is actually there's children that have upper limb deficiencies. Now that could be a wide variation of a term. It could be a missing finger, missing fingers, parts of hand, or all the way down to the wrist. And so what happens is traditional prosthetics just don't work as well. They all need to be very customized and for each person a little bit different. Children are multiple different sizes and they need something that's very suited just for them and in different colors as well. So what Helping Hand Project does is they create a SOLIDWORKS file for every child, very specified to what they need and what's going to work for them. And then they reach out to Lenovo and we actually print the hands for them. We do that mostly because we already are doing a lot of 3D printing when we're working on our workstation design, different features, and when we realized that they were doing it themselves and having a lot of printing errors and taking a lot more time, we reached out and decided to help them out with what they need to do. So as you can see, it's a very articulating hand, lots of little pieces. There's rubber bands that hold everything together and little plastic screws. We print this as one solid print project, so it comes out in lots of little pieces that are then assembled by Helping Hand Project in North Carolina, and then they're gifted to the children. We print about 2 or 3 a month, and it's something that really makes us feel really good, and we can do, so that helps.